Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful serving pitcher for a party or just because you like nice things? Well, check out this amazing Abby 96-ounce serving pitcher. I love how it's got that great old-fashioned jug shape, and the pouring spout makes it really nice so that you have spill-free pours. But I think what I love the most about it is that it's plastic and shatterproof. I make about a jug of sweet tea for my kids every single week. It's constantly in and out of the refrigerator, so odds are that sooner or later this is going to hit the floor and lose all of its contents. So when I got this jug, the very first thing I did was throw it on the floor because I wanted to test it out and make sure it really was shatterproof. And as you can see, it held up. Not only is this pitcher great looking, but it is also going to be long lasting. But that's just my point of view.